Hi guys, and welcome to the new rebranded Lardy's Garage. So as some of you know, I used to drive the FN2. That's obviously gone, sold. Now I drive the MP300. So with obviously the channel name being Lardy FN2, I was tied into the one vehicle, didn't want that. So now it's changed to Lardy's Garage. So yeah, so total rebrand. And as you know, or as some of you know, LG is also my initials. So it seemed fitting that it was Lardy's Garage. So keep following, keep liking, and keep subscribing to see more videos. And I will catch you very soon on the next video. All right, take it easy, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.